Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we consider the best glass food prep container on the market. The Mcirco 10-pack 30 ounces glass meal prep containers with 2 compartments. If you're looking to level up your food storage game, save space, eat healthier, and eliminate plastic from your routine, you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at why this set stands out. To start, this set includes 10 containers, each with 2 compartments, and 10 matching lids. That's a total of 20 pieces, which is perfect if you meal prep for the week or cook in batches. Each container holds up to 860 milliliters or 30 ounces, and measures approximately 7.8 inches long by 5.7 inches wide and 2.5 inches deep. That's a great size whether you're packing a hearty salad, a rice bowl, or a mix of protein and veggies. And thanks to the dual compartments, portion control becomes effortless. Now let's talk about the material. This isn't your typical glass. These containers are made from premium borosilicate glass, known for being more durable and heat-resistant than standard glass. That means they can handle the microwave, oven, and freezer like a pro. You can cook your food, store it, reheat it, and serve it, all using the same container. It's a seamless kitchen solution. The lids are equally impressive. Each one features a smart locking mechanism with 4 snap locks and silicone seals that create an airtight and leak-proof barrier. This ensures that your meals stay fresh longer and don't spill when you're on the go. Whether you're throwing one into your work bag or stacking them in the fridge, you won't have to worry about leaks or messes. Plus, the lids are designed to last, they're tough, reliable, and won't suddenly stop snapping shut like some cheaper alternatives. A feature I particularly love is how space-saving this set is. The containers are stackable, which means your fridge or pantry stays organized, and your cabinet shelves don't get overcrowded. Even if you live in a small apartment or have limited kitchen storage, these won't add to your clutter. And for anyone with an active lifestyle or dietary goals, these containers offer real value. From gym meals to picnics to work lunches, you can take control of your nutrition without fuss. The divided compartments help with clean eating and macro tracking, and you're not stuck using multiple plastic containers anymore. It's a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable option. Cleaning is also a breeze. The containers and lids are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You can toss them in with your other dishes and they'll come out spotless. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. The Mcirco 10-pack glass meal prep containers offer durability through borosilicate glass, convenience with microwave and oven compatibility, and peace of mind with airtight, leak-proof lids. They promote healthy eating habits with portion compartments and make kitchen organization simple with their stackable design. So if you're serious about meal prep, or just want to store leftovers in a safer, more efficient way, this set is worth every penny. You'll find a link in the description to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more top-tier reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.